Hey, how you doing? Say hello to Mark Christopher. We are in Canada. We're just doing some cleaning up around his shop, but we've got a plane to catch because it's, I don't know, what time, how much time do we have?
Not much.
All right,
so gotta move.
Dude, well, we still have a lot of work to do here, and we'll do that next week, but did we forget anything?
I don't think so.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Yeah, so Maker Central was awesome, but we're back in London and greeted by Camden Pale Ale. And they had a little message for their American friends on the back of their bottle. Let me show you. I love these people. We're off to see the city. Let's go. Well, scratch that idea. We've just been told our flight has been changed. So I wanted to see a lot of London. I wanted to show you a lot of London. It's not going to happen. We got to go to the airport because we're headed back to Halifax, Canada. So, London, I tried. Okay. We're out of here. We're back. And man, I'm telling you, Maker Central rocked. I mean, what do you think?
That was an absolutely amazing time. That was the amount of people that we met from overseas, and oh, it was indescribable.
Well, as you just saw, I mean, I didn't spend a lot of time filming booths and things of that nature. I wanted to show the people that were there because I'm telling you, it was all about the people.
Absolutely.
It's an amazing community, and to see the world get together in the United Kingdom was absolutely wonderful. But we're back in Halifax, Canada, and next stop for us is we're heading from, because if you don't know, we're currently sitting in Nova Scotia.
We're in Nova Scotia, and tomorrow morning we're going to head west, and we're going to New Brunswick.
In New Brunswick, in Moncton.
Moncton, just outside Moncton.
We're going to go see Jason McGinn, Matt Brander, and I believe Trevor Carter is going to come down. So the 5 of us are going to get together, and if it's not illegal, I'll film it.
Shenanigans will be had.
So for now, you guys take care. Get out in your shops. Go out there, make the first cut on something of whatever material you're using, and get something done. From Halifax, Canada, we'll talk to you later. Have a good one.